Hello viewers, welcome to linuxscale.com. Today we are going to see about how to install GThumb on Centos 7. GThumb is designed with a simple interface to view and organize image that can export image to Facebook, Flickr or photo bucket. It allows the user to edit image including copying, moving, deleting or duplicating, format conversion and batch renaming. GThumb is also known as importer tool, which helps to transfer photos from cameras. Okay, now let us see how to install GThumb on Centos 7. Now here we have to directly install the GThumb application. Run the following command. Click OK and continue the installation. The installation is completed. Now we have to open the Centos menu. Here we have to search GThumb. Now here GThumb applications on the screen. Now we have to open this application. Now here we can see GThumb application. Now we can able to use this application. Thus we have seen how to install GThumb on Centos 7. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxscale. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxscale.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxscale.com.